Guys, in this video I want to talk about two planes you can get from Horizon Hobby. One of them is this one and the other one is the aeroscout Mini Hobby Zone. Anyway, both of these planes are pretty good, and now I'm going to go through some of the things that they have in common and some of the things that they don't have in common, which means that they are very different. First of all, they're both pretty much in the same price range. However, this one comes with a massive battery here, and the aeroscout comes with a teeny tiny battery like that. The chargers are somewhat different. One of the annoying things about this plane is the Velcro keeps coming off, so the battery never really wants to stay in place. Although it's set up in a way that it fits in very snug, so you don't really need the Velcro anyway. So it doesn't really give you that much of a problem there. As far as the blades go, I believe this is a brushless system, while the other one is a brushed system. So this airplane here, the X450, tends to be better in the air, just generally speaking, with the performance. Having said that, since these things don't have prop guards, they're very easy to break. On the other hand, on the aeroscout, you don't need extra props because this will never break. I mean, it would be really, really hard for you to be able to drop this plane and have it like end up this way and then start breaking the prop. It's just, I've crashed it I don't know how many times, and that's never happened, so very unlikely. So as far as durability is concerned, the Mini aeroscout is much more durable. As far as being able to control this thing in the air, the X450, and they also have another model, which is the jjrc, also makes this. Both of those planes are just way less durable in general. When it comes to them being easy to pilot in the air, this one has a lot of issues because it just doesn't go up and down that much, and it doesn't go left and right that much, and it tends to steer, no matter how much I try, it tends to steer to the right a lot more than it does to the left. So I've been having a lot of problems getting this one to fly stably in the air. As far as the remotes go, I'm a big fan of this remote. It's very sturdy. It comes back nicely. It's nice to hold in your hand, left, right, up, down, and all that good stuff. Not a big fan of the switching part. Unfortunately, the fact that there's 3 modes here is a bit of a downer. I wish it had just the 2 main modes on here, which is vertical or like drone mode and then plane mode. Having the 3 can get confusing and actually can cause you to crash, which is never a good thing. On the other hand, here with the remote, I feel this is very flimsy. Sometimes it doesn't really respond the way you'd like, and some of it is caused by the remote and some of it is caused by what I was talking about before, just the fact that it doesn't turn as much as you'd like it, up and down and left and right. And sometimes with this being so loose, unlike this one that kind of stays in place a little bit more, you end up going too fast and then losing control of the vehicle because it does have a lot more power than you'd expect, even though the battery is so small and the motor that it comes with is brushed. So yeah, those are the main features of these two planes that you should be watching out for, and why I recommend this plane. If you're just going to fly it around as a drone, it is way better than most drones that have flown. Also because of its shape, when you let go of the throttle, it won't just fall straight down like most drones do. It'll sort of come down a little bit more gradually because it has this huge, it's basically one big wing, and so when it comes down, it'll flop down, but it will also have some floatiness to it. As far as a beginner plane, if you're just trying to learn how to fly a plane in plane mode, this is much better because it takes, you can see here it fell. I slammed it into the ground so many different times. It's so many different positions. The wing smashed against the grass, it smashed against a tree, it smashed against gravel, all kinds of things, and it's still all in one piece. And I haven't attached the wing, but it's here. It's pretty much brand new. It only took a little bit of a hit here. I can't remember if it's on this side or that side, but you know, all in all, considering how many times I dropped it, it's done a fantastic job of surviving. Anyway, hope this review gives you guys an idea of what you're getting with these vehicles, and depends on what you guys like and what you guys want. It should be easier to make a decision on which one to buy. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.